Hey, beautiful people! Welcome back to Natural Soul Secret. Want glowing, radiant skin without spending a fortune on skincare products? I've got you covered. Today, I'm sharing some powerful home remedies that will give you flawless, bright, and healthy skin using all natural ingredients straight from your kitchen. These remedies are quick, effective, and super easy to make, and let's glow up together. 1. The Ultimate Glow Mask Honey and Lemon Magic. Brightens skin and removes dullness instantly. Honey hydrates and nourishes, while lemon fades dark spots. Mix 1 tablespoon honey plus half a teaspoon lemon juice, apply for 10 minutes and rinse. Use twice a week for a radiant glow. 2. Turmeric and Yogurt Miracle. Say goodbye to dull skin, fights acne, redness, and inflammation for a natural golden glow. Mix 1 teaspoon turmeric plus 2 tablespoons yogurt, apply for 15 minutes, then rinse. Works as a skin brightener and natural healer. 3. Aloe Vera Glow Booster. The skin's best friend, soothes, hydrates, and gives an instant glow. Apply fresh aloe vera gel overnight for soft and smooth skin. Regular use improves skin texture and elasticity. 4. Rose Water and Glycerin Hydration Mist. Refresh, instant hydration and dewy glow. Mix equal parts rose water plus glycerin, store in a spray bottle. Spritz throughout the day for a fresh and plump look. 5. Oatmeal and Milk Scrub. Natural exfoliation, removes dead skin cells and unclogs pores for smooth skin. Mix 2 tablespoons oatmeal plus enough milk to make a paste. Gently massage for 2 to 3 minutes, rinse with lukewarm water. 6. Overnight Glow Elixir. Coconut oil and vitamin E power. Deeply nourishes and repairs skin while you sleep. Mix 1 teaspoon coconut oil plus 1 vitamin E capsule, massage before bed. Wake up with soft, radiant skin every morning. My glowing fam. Have you tried any of these home remedies before? If yes, which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Natural Soul Secret for more amazing skincare secrets. See you in the next video.